Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Valorant not opening, launching, or starting. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're trying to play Valorant and nothing happens when you click play, here's how you can fix it. First, open the Riot Client and go to the top right corner. Click on your profile icon and then select Settings. From there, go to Valorant and click on Repair. This process may take a minute, so let it complete. Once it's done, restart your PC and try launching the game again. If Valorant still doesn't open, you'll need to close everything related to Valorant, Vanguard, and the Riot Client. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Look for Riot Client, Valorant, or Vanguard, then right-click on each one and select End Task. Next, go to the Start menu and type Valorant. Right-click on it and choose Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click on Valorant again and select Open File Location. Now navigate to Valorant, then go to Live, then to Shooter Game, then Binaries, and then Win64. Scroll down until you find Valorant-Win64-shipping.exe. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and also check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. After that, go back to the Start menu and type Services, then open it. Look for VGC, right-click on it, and select Properties. Change the startup type from Manual to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start, then click Apply, and OK. Now open the Start menu again and type msconfig to open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab and make sure VGC is checked so it starts whenever you restart your PC. Click OK to save the changes. Next, press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type %app data %, and hit OK. Once you're there, go back one step to the app data folder, then open Local. Look for the Riot Games folder, open it, then open Riot Client data. Find Riot Games Private Settings.yaml, select Rename, and add old to the name. Confirm the change when prompted. After that, go back to the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters, right-click on your GPU, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If there's no update available, you can close the window. Finally, go to the Start menu and open Graphics Settings. Look for Valorant in the list. If it's not there, add it manually. Once added, set the GPU preference to High Performance. After completing all these steps, restart your PC and then try launching Valorant again. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Valorant not opening, launching, or starting. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.